Tamil Nadu policemen have been arrested in the custodial deaths of two men in the town of Tuticorin. Inspector Sridhar, Sub-Inspectors Raghu Ganesh and Balakrishnan and Constable Murugan have been arrested by the crime branch of Tamil Nadu's Criminal Investigation Department for allegedly torturing Jairaj and Phoenix to death for keeping their shop open for 15 minutes beyond the allotted time during the coronavirus-imposed lockdown. A family in Kolkata was forced to hire an ice cream freezer to keep the body of a 71-year-old man who died at home on Monday, hours after being tested for coronavirus. The body was removed by civic authorities after 48 hours. Doctors had refused to issue a death certificate without the COVID-19 test result, without which mortuaries refused to accept the body. US has welcomed India's move of banning Chinese origin apps. US President Donald Trump has also said that the aggressive stance of Beijing against India and other countries in the region confirms the true nature of the Chinese Communist Party. The White House press secretary also said that the US was closely monitoring the situation in the Galwan Valley and supports its peaceful resolution. Britain extended Hong Kong residents a broader path to citizenship in response to China's new security law for the former UK territory. The security law strengthens China's grip on the territory, which has some autonomy from the mainland. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson's offer comes during a London review of its entire range of relations with Beijing that includes a reassessment of the role China's Huawei is playing in the build-up of Britain's 5G data network. The Congress hit out at the Modi government for sending a house vacation notice to Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. Congress chief spokesperson Randeep Surjewala said the entire country knows the deep hatred and vendetta of Prime Minister Narendra Modi towards the Congress leadership. He said the Congress would not hesitate to continue to highlight the wrongdoings of a failed Modi government, according to him. In a bid to provide relief to taxpayers amid the ongoing COVID-19 crisis, the Income Tax Department on Thursday extended the deadline for tax-saving investments or payments for FY 2019 to 2020 up to July 31st.